I'm Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa. I have a daughter. She's 2 years old, so she's actually exposed already to my makeup routine every time I do my makeup. So it's inevitable that she gets all my items and try it on her face. But she's 2 years old. I try to remind her that there's a time for that. It's not toys. And syempre, yung mga ginagamit nating makeup, syempre may mga chemicals na hindi din pwede sa mga bata. So I try to explain that in a very fun way for her so she could understand that. At the same time, I tell her and remind her, you don't need makeup yet. You're beautiful as you are. You're still a kid. Mama will just do your hair. And then when you're at your right age, I will teach you how to do makeup and I will buy you your own makeup. And I think that's a good bargain. I'll teach her to be confident first without makeup. And then later on, she could enhance.
Hello mga kasawsa, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I already wanted to share with you about Miss Winwin Marquez competing right now in Miss Universe Philippines 2025. We know all guys that she's really adorable. She's really, eagerness, have this potential to win the crown. First of all guys, Winwin Marquez got the title holder as a Miss World 2017, taking the crown for Hispano-Americana in Bolivia and competing there and won the crown for Miss Hispano-Americana 2017. Then after a while, she's got married and she got a daughter, a princess, and now she's competing in Miss Universe 2025. Those other queens who are really deserving also to get the crown. So by the way guys, she's 32 years old, and of course her birth is May 4, 1992, if I'm not mistaken. Please comment down below. And of course, the thing that I really wanted to, make a video right now for Winwin Marquez, because, she's really have a big potential, guys. I know that there's some issue against with Ate Ann about those kind of things na they will not get to win those married beauty queen, those have a child already, and oversized women. We know already what's going on around in social media, but I'm hoping that she will get the crown also, because Winwin Marquez deserving the crown, to get the crown. And of course those organization from Hispano-Americana who got the emotion, comment about Winwin Marquez, because some of the organization, of course, they're not agree that their queen were jumping to another beauty title holder like Miss Universe to competing again, because Winwin Marquez has already won as Hispano-Americana on last 2017. But the organization really support to Winwin, and they have also videos to share in social media. I saw that videos guys, then I just like, oh, this is the sign for Winwin to competing the Miss Universe, because those organization coming from Hispano-Americana, they are all supporting Winwin for this competition 2025. So for me, that was a big factor to compete in Miss Universe Philippines 2025. And of course, Winwin, the pasarela was fantastic. There's a lot of improvement about Winwin, and of course the advocacy that she has, and of course being a mother, she really care about herself, because when you get married, there's a lot of things that happen to you, but Winwin always maintain those body, those pasarela, those gown. When she introducing herself, talagang nakita mo yung empowerment, nakita mo talaga yung aura niya na to give those eagerness to win the crown. And of course, this is not too late. Winwin is a model for those married women and to those separated women and so on to compete in the Miss Universe, because this is not only for you being single kasi nga they're just saying that Miss Universe must be a single woman, an unmarried woman, and of course competing there is that's we call Miss Universe because only those Miss, not Mrs. But Win really wanted to compete not only for her but to inspire those women around the world that already married or they have already children, late blooming, that they really wanted to compete, that I saw for Win Marquez. And first of all, in Boracay, you see the walk, the pasarela, the question and answer. It's really ready na po talaga si Win, and she's really blooming and blow away for those walk, di ba? Pasarela, talagang inano niya yung mga kandidata there. All those candidates are deserving the crown, but Win have pushed away that, she gave 110% for me, ha? She gave 100% for her walk and for her pasarela, her gown, the way she talk, and of course the daughter that she has, the princess that she has also there to support her mom. And that's the big impact also, being a mother. Being a mother is just like the end of the, being a single, but the Miss Universe open arms and give a chance to those ladies. And even you are on the age na talaga, di ba? Before they have age limit, but now even 60, 80, you can compete whatever you are. You feel confident and you feel that you have those potential to win the crown, so why not? So we back to Win, and of course yung organization niya, guys, that's the thing that I really admire the most, because the organization of Hispano-Americana is just like to support Win. They wanted to Win to fulfill her dreams to be not only Hispano-Americana beauty queen, but also competing in the Miss Universe that Win really wanted to get the crown. And for me, we know also, guys, that there is some issue against that they will not win because they're married or have child, like that, and they're just like a decor in Miss Universe. But top 5 is, for me, it's good enough if it is no choice, right? But if she win the crown, so this is the big impact, right? This is the big impact. Those women that really stopped their dream because they're already married, they got child, and they're just like keeping their self away from beauty queen, that embracing being a beauty queen, because there's a lot of ladies who are really deserving also to compete in the Miss Universe. So the Win Marquez is the way path to those women to be a confident again, to get their dream to be a beauty queen. And of course, as you can see, guys, the way Win talk on the interview, and of course the experience that she has, she's a queen already. She's already have those kind of potential to win the crown. And of course, the crown that she got also, she won 2017 Hispano-Americana and those Latin beauty queen also to compete, that she's on stand for all those queen, diba? She got the crown. And of course the family that she has and the support, the fans, all of them are really a big help for Win to win the crown for Miss Universe Philippines. I know it's really tough, guys. I know it's really tough. I'm not saying that Win will be 110% to get the crown, but Win have potential. I support those queens. I support those other new comers. There's a lot of potential. As I can see, I love Miss Bohol, I love Miss Aklan, I love Miss those new, I love Miss Laguna. 3 queens coming from Laguna. I love Baguio. I love Davao. She's so beauty queen talaga. She's so Filipino looks talaga. But at the end of the day, I hope, guys, that we have our own manoks. We have our own queens that you really wanted to pursue to be the winner. But I hope that whatever happened in the crowning time, I hope that we support as a Filipino, as a beauty pageant lovers. I know that there's a lot of things that happen again after the winning the crown, that if those pageant lover doesn't agree those winner. So I hope that we all support pa rin, nandoon pa rin yung pagiging makabayani natin, nandun pa rin yung pagiging support the queens because whatever happened, she's competing not only on who is she, she's competing the Philippines. So for me, yeah, Winwin Marquez is on my top five, and I know Winwin deserved to win the crown. Even top that she's already have a daughter, even top that she's has already a family. But you know, you see the hard work that she put in her heart to fulfill on what she really wanted to get the crown of Miss Philippines 20 Universe 2025. It's really tough, guys. There's a lot of dark horse. There's a lot of those queens who are deserving the crown. But what it happened, so please support the queen who will win the Miss Universe Philippines 2025. And of course, I support Win-Win. I see the potential that she has. You know, the first thing that I saw her with wearing a red gown, I think in Muntinlupa, representing Winwin Marquez, Miss Philippines, Muntinlupa, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa, and